What to do when you have sales, but your ACoS is over 100%?
Optimize it. So just look at how you can optimize it. And you have to ask yourself, is this keyword worth getting the sales over 100% on? And so when I'm looking at a campaign and it's got over 100% ACoS and it's getting one sale every 30 days, I don't care about that. That's not contributing to sales velocity. But if it's getting 3 to 5 sales a day or more, then you have to ask yourself, is that going to work for you as far as keeping that ACoS higher? Or you can optimize it and start bringing that cost per click down to then bring the ACoS down. But you want to make sure you're not losing that sales velocity. And another approach to take is look at the blended ACoS across all the campaigns for that specific ASIN. And so looking at one campaign in a silo or one keyword in a silo, depending on how you structure things, is not doing a service to the question, I guess. You have to look at the entire ASIN campaigns. So like, I'm trying to like organize this in my head, but look at it from a blended standpoint. You don't just want to look at one keyword in a silo, because that keyword, if it's driving a lot of sales velocity, it's okay to be 100% because you have another keyword over here that's at 10%. And then therefore when you mix those together, you're at your target ACoS. So don't look at everything individually, look at it as a whole. And that should give you a better answer around what you should do with that keyword.
Gotcha. So to give a little more context, it looks like Wen also said, when I broad and phrase keywords, it generates a sale, but the search term for that sale has no volume or under 50. Should I run an exact match for this term?
Yeah, so essentially you're asking if you should peel it out and create a new one. I would, just to try it, just to see what happens. You just never know what's going to happen with it. If you don't want to take the time to do it, then I'd focus on the ones that have higher search volume. But we always peel out any keyword that generates 3 or more sales. And so if it has such a low search volume, it probably wouldn't trigger that. If it's just getting one sale, I would not peel it out. But if it's getting 3 or more sales over a 30 to 60 day period, then I definitely peel it out and put it into an exact match campaign. And awesome. I'll just answer this prophylactically beforehand.
That sounds like a very doctor-y term.
It is. I do not pause it or negative it in the initial campaign either.
Yeah, I would agree with you there, just because there is the history on that. And I believe that is
you're going to be bidding different for it
with my Amazon guys' methods. All right. So